Morning students, this class we are going to learn about remainder theorem. Okay, listen the definition of remainder theorem. If a polynomial p of x of degree greater than or equal to 1 is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a, where a is any real number. Again I will repeat, consider one of the polynomial p of x, the degree greater than or equal to 1. Degree of the polynomial is greater than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to 1 is 1 and above. Okay. So, that term divided by a linear polynomial x minus a. Then the remainder is, we get the remainder is p of a. P of a is any one of the constant value we get. Okay. So, where a is any real number. One note. If p of x is divided by x plus a, p of x is the polynomial is divided by linear polynomial x plus a, then the remainder is p of minus a. Consider x plus a is equal to 0, so what's the value of x? Minus a. This is a substitution value in this polynomial. Polynomial is all the terms are x related terms, so we substitute x place any of the constant, that is minus a. We substitute in that value in this polynomial, we get the remainder is any one of the term. So generally we can write p of minus a. Then the second point is p of x divided by ax minus b, then the remainder is p of b by a. Here also ax minus b, so consider ax minus b is equal to 0, then ax equal to, we get b, then what's the value of x? B by a. Okay, so the remainder is p of b by a. Then third one is p of x is divided by ax plus b, then the remainder is p of minus b by a. Now take ax plus b is equal to 0, then ax equal to, we get minus b, x value is minus b by a. So the remainder is p of minus b by a. Listen on example sum. Example 3.11. Listen the first question. Find the remainder when f of x equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. Is divided by x plus 1. Consider the polynomial is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. You find out remainder. Find the remainder of this polynomial. So listen the hint. We take x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then what's the value of x? We take plus into right side, we get minus 1. This is the value of x. So substitute in this value in f of x. Okay, substitute x place minus 1. So f of x is, write the given polynomial. Then substitute x place minus 1. We get minus 1 the whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 the whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. So simplification term is minus 1 the whole cube is, we get minus 1 because the power is odd. Odd is, we get the negative term. Plus 3 into minus 1 the whole square is 1. 1 into 3 is, we get 3. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. This plus 1. So plus 3 minus 3 cancelled. Plus 1 minus 1 also cancelled. We get 0. So the remainder is 0. Okay, listen the second question. Check whether f of x equal to x cube minus x plus 1 is a multiple of g of x equal to 2 minus 3x. Check whether f of x equal to x cube minus x plus 1 is a multiple of g of x equal to 2 minus 3x. Same procedure only. Okay. So take 2 minus 3x equal to 0. 2 minus 3x equal to 0. Then what's the value of x? 2 minus 3x equal to, we take 0. Then minus 3x is, we take 2 into right side. So minus 2. Minus and minus cancelled. What's the value of x? X is 2 by 3. So substitute x equal to 2 by 3 in the given polynomial. So f of x is x cube minus x plus 1. F of 2 by 3 is x place you substitute 2 by 3. So f of 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 the whole cube minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Then 2 by 3 the whole cube is 2 cube and 3 cube. 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27. minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Now find out the LCM of the denominator. LCM of 27 and 3 is 27 LCM. So here the denominator is 27. So you should write the numerator. The same value, write it. Minus, see the denominator in the second fraction is 3. So 3 into, we want 9. So you multiplied both the numerator and denominator by 9. 9 2s are, we get 18. Already denominator is 27 you took. Then here, take the cross product of the LCM into 1. LCM into 1 is, we get 27. Or we consider the denominator is 1. So we want the denominator is 27. So you multiplied numerator and denominator by 27. So the numerator is, we get 27 only. So 8 minus 18. What's the value? 8 minus 18? Minus 10. Subtract, but write the greater number sign. Subtraction value is 10. Greater number sign is minus. So minus 10 plus 27. Minus 10 plus 27 is 17. The greater number sign is positive. Okay. So minus 10 plus 27, we get 17. Denominator is 27. So this value not equal to 0. So f of x is not multiple of g of x. If we get 0 here, f of x is a multiple of g of x. Okay, f of x is a multiple of g of x. Here we get it. One of the value 17 by 27. This value is not equal to 0. So f of x is not multiple of g of x. Listen the third question. Find the remainder when f of x equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Find the remainder. First question type. So we write the f of x value in the solution inside. Then here x minus a. X minus a is, we take x minus a is equal to 0. Then what's the value of x? A. So substitute x place a. Substitute x place a. So f of a is equal to a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a. So a cube minus a into a square is a cube. Then 6a minus a is, we get 5a. So a cube minus a cube cancelled. The balance remainder is 5a. Remainder of the given polynomial is 5a. Okay. Listen the fourth question. For what value of k is the polynomial 2x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 2kx square plus 3x plus 6 exactly divisible by x plus 2? Exactly divisible by x plus 2 is, the remainder must be 0. Okay. The given polynomial is this one. This polynomial is exactly divisible by x plus 2. So we get the remainder is 0. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then what's the value of x? Minus 2. So write the given polynomial and f of minus 2, substitute x place minus 2. So f of minus 2 is equal to, already you know the remainder must be 0. So we take here 0. Okay. So substitute x place minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 the whole power 4 plus 3 into minus 2 the whole cube plus 2k into minus 2 the whole square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. Then simplify the term. Minus 2 the whole power 4 is, we get 16. Minus 2 the whole cube is, power is odd. So we get the negative value minus 8 plus 2k into minus 2 the whole square is 4. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 plus 6. So is equal to 0. So minus 6 plus 6 cancelled. 16 2s are 32. 8 3s are 24. Here minus having, so we take minus. 32 minus 24 plus 4 2s are 8k is equal to 0. Now find out the subtraction of 32 minus 24. What's the value? 32 minus 24 is 8. Okay. So this step after, we get 32 minus 24 subtraction is 8 plus 8k is equal to 0. Then what's the value of 8k? We take 8 into right side. So we get minus 8. So 8k is equal to minus 8. Then what's the value of k? K is equal to minus 8 by 8. Minus 8 by 8 is 1 8 is 8, here also 1 8 is 8. Minus 1 by 1 is minus 1. This is the k value. Okay, so f of x is exactly divisible by x minus 2. We get the k value is minus 1. So for what value of k is the polynomial exactly divisible by x plus 2? That is the question. So k value is minus 1. Very easy sum. Work out 2 or 3 times. Okay. Listen one more question. Example 3.12. Without actual division, prove that f of x equal to 2x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 is exactly divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, exactly divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2. So, using this equation, this one quadratic equation, we get x value is 2. 2 value we get it. Okay. In the quadratic equation, but linear equation we get only one value, but quadratic equation we get 2 x values because x power is 2, so we get 2 solution. Find out the factor of this polynomial, x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, see the product is 2 and the addition value is minus 3. Then what are the numbers you select? 1 2 is 2. Multiplication is 2, but the addition is we want minus 3. So, minus 1, minus 2. Now, we get the addition value is minus 3 and the product is 2. So, the factor of x square minus 3x plus 2 is x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay. I don't take this method. We use this method and complete it. X minus 1 into x minus 2 or x minus 2 into x minus 1, same meaning only. So, what's the value of x? If you take x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x value is 1. X minus 2 is equal to 0, we get x value is 2. Okay, so substitute x equal to 1 and x equal to 2 in the given polynomial. Substitute x equal to 1 and x equal to 2 in the given polynomial. You substitute it. First you substitute x place 1. So f of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 power 4 minus 6 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 2. Then 2 into 1 power 4 is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. 6 into 1 cube is 1. So 6 into 1 is minus 6. Here 3 into 1 square is 1. So 1 into 3 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3 minus 2. Okay, then simplify this term. 2 minus 2 cancelled. Then 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 minus 6. So everything cancelled. We get 0. Then substitute x value is 2. Then f of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 power 4 minus 6 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 2. So, 2 power 4 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. What's the value we get? 16. So, 16 2s are 32. Then here 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2. 8. 8 6 are 48. This minus sign, write it. Then 2 square. 4. 4 3s are 12. 3 2s are 6 and minus 2. Now, 12 plus 6. What's the value? 12 plus 6. 18. 18 plus 32. 18 plus 32 is 50. Okay. So, we add the positive values first. 32, 12 and 6. We get 50 minus 48. Minus 48 minus 2 is 2 numbers are negative. We add, but you should write the negative sign. Minus 48 minus 2 is minus 50. So, 50 minus 50, we get the balance is 0. That is remainder. Okay. If you get the remainder is 0, so these are the factors of the given polynomial. Okay, these are the factors of the given polynomial. So, f of x is exactly divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay. So, this polynomial is exactly divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2, hence proved. Homework is exercise 3.3, first question, second question, third question and seventh question. Do it. Thank you, students.